Joshua, the commander of God's army, clad in the dust of the wilderness and the fire of divine calling. Joshua, son of Nun, stands as a towering figure, a warrior chosen by God, forged in the shadow of Moses, and empowered to lead Israel into the promised land. His eyes burn with the memory of Egypt and the promise of Canaan. A man in his prime, Joshua wears a mantle not of royalty, but of responsibility. His cloak is simple, his sword sharp, and his heart unwavering. He walks not with pride, but with purpose. At Jericho, he is no mere general. He is God's chosen instrument. Before battle, he stands alone, staring up at the towering walls, when a mysterious figure appears, the commander of the Lord's army. Joshua falls to the ground, sandals removed, for he knows he stands on holy ground. When the trumpets blare and the walls fall, he doesn't lift his sword in glory, but in obedience. His strength is not in steel, but in faith. The same faith that once made him and Caleb cry out, "We can take the land," while others trembled. He is not just a conqueror of cities. He is a keeper of the covenant. He leads with the book of the law ever on his lips, meditating on it day and night. His legacy is not only in victories, but in his final call to Israel. "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." Joshua 24 verse 15.